Alrighty, so we're gonna make kimchi. But this is nappa, right? So that's what they use to make kimchi, the nappa. So slice this thing off. Okay. So easy cut. Four cuts, and then just peel these out. There you have it. Then we move to the next step. Okay, so we're gonna add some Ajinomoto, okay, the good stuff, and some salt, a little bit of salt. Okay, so we added some salt. Actually, before I do that, I added salt first, and I'm gonna knead this for a few minutes. Okay, so I put the salt in, so I'm gonna knead it for a few minutes. I'm gonna crush it in. You don't need to knead this as long as sometimes when I do the Chinese mustard, I knead it for like at least 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so like I said, you don't need to knead these that long. So now we're gonna rinse it. Okay, so I just rinsed that with water, basic rinse. With the nappa or making kimchi, you don't need to rinse it that much. Like I do with mustard green. Mustard green I rinse like 3 times. But with nappa or kimchi, only rinse once. So anyway, I'm gonna put in the salt, the Ajinomoto. So I'm putting maybe like 2 tablespoons of salt here, right? I'm going to add some liquid too, so it looks like I'm putting a lot of salt, but I'm not. Because there's going to be a lot of liquid as well added to this thing. Okay, that's about maybe 2 tablespoons, you know, give or take a few. And this is the Ajinomoto, the good stuff. Okay, put that in there. Not too much. Now, for the next ingredient, which is the rice. So I didn't have any leftover rice, so I cooked new rice just for this. Normally I just use leftover rice. Alrighty, so I got a bowl of rice, so I'm gonna add some water. So I might put like 2-3 bowls. You mind, Sean? Alright, so there's my rice with water. So I'm just gonna massage the rice a little bit into the water. Okay. Then I'm just gonna dump this whole thing into here. So the rice and water, just dump it right in. Okay. Now I'm gonna get another bowl, maybe 2 bowls. Let's see. Because once you stuff this into the container, you want to make sure the water, the liquid, is above the vegetable. Alrighty, another bowl of rice and water, right? Because remember, the rice is what initiates the fermentation process. Okay, so that's why I add a lot of salt. I'm gonna have to add more salt after this. I gotta taste it after the product. So now, one more ingredient. The garlic. Let me get the garlic. Don't go anywhere. Okay, so now for the garlic, I put like whole garlic. When you ferment anything, vegetable, I recommend garlic. Gotta have your garlic. Nowadays, garlic is just too good, health-wise, to leave out. So there's the garlic. A whole garlic. So add a little bit more salt, right? Salt's great for you. So then I'm gonna mush everything into here. So you can taste the water a little bit. You want it to be on the salty side. Can you lower that down, please? Holy smoke, bro. People doing stuff here. Anyway, so add a little bit more salt because you want it a little bit salty. Because you don't want it, if you don't have enough salt, it's going to go sour quick. You do not want it. Oh, this smells so good with the garlic. It's like the fermentation process just like started already. Tastes good already. Let's bring a little bit more salt with that. Yeah, some of the good stuff. Okay. Oh yeah. There we go. because I'm gonna cook you something. So there it is. Gonna cook these girls some food. Alrighty, so I had 10-minute pause to make these girls dinner. So now that all the ingredients are there, so you got the garlic, the rice with the water, the salt, and the Ajinomoto. So now we put it inside the container. Go up, literally pack it all the way down. So this here is your kimchi, and that's how they make kimchi, right? Roy, the hands clean. Push that down. Oh man, this smells so good already. Too bad smell cannot transfer on video. Star, shut up, Star. I hear you, Star. Star, you're trash, bro. Star's like trash. Star's trash. Ja, you can turn off the stove now. Before it burns, bro. You know, so now you take all the juice. Ooh, right? Take all the juice. Let's put it here. Yeah, take the lid. No, don't take the lid off yet. Let it just turn off the heat. Okay, so take all the juice, pour it in. Okay. All the way in. Oop, let's see. The juice is not. The juice is not above. It's got to be above the line. So, Char, give me a little bit of water. Just pour some water in there. Good. Perfect. Okay, so add a little bit more water. You want the water to be above the vegetable, right? Right. There's the rice. The rice is usually always on top. You push the rice down a little bit. I'm good. It's good. The rice is good. Put a little bit more salt. There you have it. Oh, gotta make sure you close the lid. So close this lid and put this outside in room temperature for 1 day at least, especially in the summertime. You want at least a day. In the winter time, maybe 2-3 days to get the fermentation process started. And good to go.